what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to, with my clean hands, what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to put all the butter inside. Okay? And I'm going to use my fingers to bind it or mix it. I've got 2 tablespoons honey here, which I am going to add it here. If you do not want honey, you can even add sugar. Add cold water here, 1 tablespoon at a time. 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time. Just to mix it. It should be a stiff dough, not a soft. For the base, I'm going to take a silicone sheet. I've taken silicone sheet. You can even take a parchment paper towel. Okay. I'm going to take some portions. Since my tart shell is very small, I'm going to divide it into smaller portions. I've actually greased my tart shell so that the tart doesn't stick to it. Now I'm going to roll it up, keeping a parchment paper or greased paper at the top so that it doesn't stick. for the filling, what I do is I've got this whipped cream and I'm going to whip it up. This is after adding condensed milk. Now what I'm going to do is this is my mango essence. I'm going to add in few drops. Now comes my mango puree. This is my mango puree. I'm going to add in. I think I need to add in the whole lot. This is one whole mango. Mango puree of one whole mango. Now let's get the tart shells and start it. Now this is my tart which has been baked at 160 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes, and I've cooled it. I've cooled it and removed it from the bowl. Now let's do the filling. For that, what I need to do is, this is my filling which we have made, that is of whipped cream with condensed milk as well as the mango puree. Okay, and I also added mango essence. I'm going to fill it up here. This is the mango tart. I'm going to keep it in the fridge, cool it in the fridge for half an hour and then enjoy it. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Do try it and do let me know how it comes.